This is the Hello World Podcast. You said
Okay,
you're teaching entrepreneur to high school students, high school level.
Yes.
Oh my, look at that. It's so advanced there that you actually introduce the idea of building your own business as early as adolescents. People are in their teens.
It's incredible. It blows my mind. And I guarantee I'm going to be working for one of these people. And what's interesting about that, Louis, and thanks for calling this out, because it's something I do that I'm so proud of to teach these kids. But I will always ask them at the beginning of the class, why are you taking this class? Do you have a family member who's an entrepreneur? And I talked about why people get into an entrepreneur. I love where it's almost like from central casting for a movie. You have some kids are in the class and they're like, they have long dreadlocks and they're wearing like a Save the Earth shirt. And they're like, and they're like, I just want to make a difference in the world. And then you have other kids who are like, they have 2 cell phones and they're wearing like all name brands, and they're saying like, I just want to make money. Okay. I know I'm in Silicon Valley. I have access to venture capital. I'm going to start something. I'm going to be a shark. And it's funny to hear their different ambitions at that age. But the minute you get into the lesson, they're just locked eyes with you, and they're learning. They're just sponging up all that information. And there's no 2 people are going to do it the same. And once they become an entrepreneur, they have wildly different paths too. I mean, it's always going to be different. There's a couple of like through lines in it. Like there's a couple of things that remain consistent. So you can teach a class. There are principles you need to know. There are things, waypoints you're going to hit. But aside from a couple of those waypoints, it's like I mentioned before, I've started a couple different companies, and every journey was very different. I went in there thinking, oh, I have a blueprint for this. It's going to be easier. It's never easier. It's never easier. Like you always have just as much difficulty as you can stand. No more, but just as much as you can handle. Yeah.
Hi, everyone. This is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video to others.